Yo, what's up, you guys? Are you ready to make some money online? Well, then you are on the right channel, ChadBennettLive.com, right here on YouTube, teaching you the best money-making strategies, teaching you about mindset, motivation, and marketing, and how you can start your own online business and scale it through the roof. We also talk about many different other ways to make money online. And today I want to share with you something very personal to me and how I, kind of got started making money online, a little bit of my history, and an individual more in particular about 8 months ago that had a huge impact on my life and showed me exactly what I needed to be doing. And I want to talk about some of the characteristics, more particularly about 4 different characteristics that I can actually think of that had a huge impact and really motivated me and inspired me to do something similar and to follow in his footsteps. And this individual is someone that I hold very dear to my heart because, like I said, they've had a huge impact on my life. So I want to share a little bit about my story and how exactly they accomplished that. So if you know anything about me at all, if you're brand new to this channel, by the way, you need to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because I'm coming out with 2 videos every single week that are very impactful, that will put money in your pockets, keep you motivated, and help you start making money online. If that's what you intend to do, you are on the right channel. Also, make sure that you smash that thumbs up, you guys. That is super important. It helps to grow this channel and it helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. And at the end of the day, that's what this is all about, is helping people make money online. So I got to grow this channel as big as I possibly can so that I can get this word out. And also, make sure that you drop a comment. Let me know that you were here. Show some love, show some support. I always appreciate all the comments. Even if you just say make money online, let me know where you're from, ask questions, whatever it is, drop those comments down there. And I will try to respond to those as fast as I possibly can. So what I want to talk about today is, like I said, my story. And it's taken me 15 years to get to where I'm at today. And now I'm not telling you that that's how long it's going to take you to find success with making money online. That's just part of my journey. So just to rewind 15 years, you guys, I have been involved in multiple different businesses. When I was in high school, I invested in tax lien certificates. I did my senior project on that. And then I got into real estate. I paid a company, thousands and thousands of dollars. Actually, my parents did, and failed at that and never really made any money at all. I had started my own real estate investing company by the time that I was 18. I think I told you I went and got my real estate license, and none of that really seemed to work out. And then I tried multiple different businesses. I'm talking about MLMs, where I was chasing around my friends and family, trying to get them to buy all kinds of different crazy products. And I sold a little bit of stuff. I made a little bit of money here and there, but nothing that was life-changing, nothing that had a huge impact to where, I didn't have to go to work every day. And as a young entrepreneur, I knew that I wanted to, be successful and that I wanted a lot of money, but I didn't know why. So I eventually ended up working with an individual who was a successful real estate investor out where I live out here in the Los Angeles area that had made $10 million in 7 years. And part of that story is, I learned a lot of great stuff from that person. And a lot of that is still at the core of me today. And that's a lot of the stuff that I like to share with you on this channel, because I know those things are true and I know that they work. And I know that at the core of everything is what you need to be doing to succeed at making money, whether it's online or in any other type of space. So my point here is, over the past 15 years, I've learned a bunch of great stuff. But it doesn't matter how much you've learned if you're not actually going out there and applying that and taking action and taking consistent action. Massive action, you guys. Massive action applied with learned knowledge of stuff that actually works. I'm talking about an actual blueprint that tells you exactly what you need to be doing to, be successful in whatever it is that you're trying to be successful at, whether it's at a sport, whether it's in school, whether it's creating your business, whether it's, your own online, business, whatever it is. Success, you guys, takes consistency and massive action, and it takes some know-how, right? You need to know exactly what you need to be doing to find success. For example, if you were to just go to the gym, right, and you just walk in there and you just start lifting all kinds of different weights and you don't know a proper routine, you don't know how to eat properly, you're not going to get the results that you want. And most likely, this is what normally happens. People give up because they start going to the gym, they're not eating properly, they're not doing the proper exercises, they're probably hurting themselves because they're not doing the exercises correctly. And then, after about a week or 2 or 3 weeks, let's say you even go for a month, right? You eventually give up, you start going less and less, and then you just say, this isn't for me, it doesn't work, I didn't get the results that I need. So what you needed to begin with was maybe a personal trainer that told you exactly what you needed to be eating, exactly how many times a week you needed to be showing up, maybe someone that held you accountable and kept you consistent. A massive action, you guys. And over a period of time, if you really wanted to lose a bunch of weight or to put on a bunch of muscle, whatever your goal was in the gym, you could do it. You're the only person standing in your way, and you need to understand that and accept that. Now, this video is not about going to the gym. I just use that as an example, and the same thing applies to anything else that you want to be successful at in life. So let's get back to this story here. I don't want to get too far off topic. So, like I said, it took me about 15 years to, figure out exactly what I'm trying to do. And it's still a learning and growing process. You need to constantly be learning and growing. You don't ever reach a point where you just think that you know it all. If you think that you know it all, you're actually stagnant and you're not dying, but you're stuck, right? You're not growing anymore. And that is a very bad mindset that you want to have. You always constantly want to be learning and growing yourself. And you need to be putting yourself around individuals that are better and not better than you, but have what you want to be like, what you want to achieve. If that's one key thing right there, to be completely honest, take a look around at the people that are around you. I'm not saying that they're bad people. I'm just saying your worth is similar to the 5 closest people that surround you, because they influence you every single day with their thoughts, their mindset. If you want to up your game, put yourself around people that have what you want, and you can drastically change, what is going on in your life just by doing that. And you can do that, by reading books, by watching videos like this on YouTube. And like I said, I'm going to introduce you to somebody today that literally has changed my life and changed the game for me, because they have core aspects to them that I believe are what has influenced me and helped me change my life. I really hope that everybody watching this video right now is paying close attention, and that you stick with me through this entire video, you guys, because I'm giving you the truth right here. I'm telling you what it takes. And it's one thing, I want you to understand this. I really want you to understand this. It's one thing to hear about, how and what you need to be doing to find success. And it's another to actually go out there and implement that and take action. If you want to find success, you have to get started. And I want you to ask yourself right now, because you're watching this video for a reason. What is that reason? I know you want to make money, but why do you want to make money? And I want you to dig real deep as to exactly why you want that money and what it's going to do to change your life. Now, I can go into detail about my why, but I don't want to spend too much time on that in this video. But that's another really key thing that you need to understand, is you really need to understand why it is that you're doing this, because your why is going to be your motivating, driving force that every single time that you think about quitting, once you actually get started, the hardest part, honestly, is actually just getting started. If you can just get started and then stay consistent and keep going, you're gonna find success. I don't want to make promises, but that is the method to finding success, you guys. So get started, make a decision, figure out what it is that is driving you to, to actually make money online. For me, you guys, it was my family. I really just want to be able to spend time with my family. I don't want to be spending 40, 50 hours a week at work every week for, who knows how long, for people are working and literally until they die these days. And I don't want that. I want to be there for my kids. I want to watch their sports. I want to be there for my wife. I want to do things that are important to me. I want to be able to travel the world. I want to sit on beaches. I want to have some nice things too. I really would like all of these things. And at the core, I've known inside myself for so long that I've had the potential to do this. And I know you do too. Everybody knows that there's something special and unique about them. And you are reaching out right now, trying to figure out what that is. And I'm telling you that I have the solution for you. It's right down beneath this video in the description. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online, you guys. That's where I got started. Literally about 8, 9 months ago now. And what I had been searching for so long finally appeared before me, because I was seeking it out. The law of attraction brought it into my life. I was looking for it, and I was at a point in my life where I was actually ready to accept it. I was grown up enough that everything that I had learned through these past 15 years of struggle and failure and not giving up has all come to fruition, and it's all starting to play out finally. So understand that it doesn't matter how much information that you get in front of you until you're ready to actually take action and you're ready to make a decision and get started. Nothing is going to change in your life. If you just take all this in and you don't take any actions, nothing is going to happen. It's just a bunch of great information that you have up in your brain and your life. Doesn't change at all. You just keep going on, just doing the exact same things that you're doing right now, and nothing changes for you. So understand something really quick here, you guys. I was in the exact same spot you're sitting in right now about 9 months ago. Like I said, this took me 15 years, and about 9 months ago, I'm sitting there and I just finally got fed up. I wanted something better in my life. I wanted to get time back on my side. By the way, that's the most valuable thing that money will ever buy you, is the time to do what is pleasing to you. My rich Uncle Tony, the investor that I was talking to you about at the beginning of this video, one day looked at his watch and he goes, "What is the most important thing that money can buy you in life?" And I didn't know at the time because I didn't catch him, he wasn't looking at his watch then, but I kind of just looked, kind of confused, and he goes and he points at his watch and he says, "Time. The most important thing money can buy you is time. The time to do what, is important to you so that you can go out there and just live your life and be happy." So back on topic here. 9 months ago, I'm sitting there and I want to figure out exactly what it is, that's going to be the vehicle that's going to get time back on my side, that's going to be this business where I can make money, that's going to allow me to travel the world, that's going to give me the time to have a schedule where I can work when I want, where I want. By the way, as long as I have an internet connection, I can work. So practically, almost anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection, a laptop, and a camera. And most of this stuff can be done simply on your phone, you guys. A lot of my business is done right on my mobile device, and I have that with me all day. So I absolutely love affiliate marketing, but I was searching around on the internet, trying to figure out what this was going to be. And I think I was typing in how to make money online, just like probably what brought you here today. And this individual's channel pops up, and this is what I find. And this individual has literally changed the game for me. Their integrity, their honesty, the pure value that they bring on their channel, and where they guided me and told me to get started. And what I liked about most about this individual was their story. And the reason that I liked their story is because I could relate to this story. So I'm gonna jump over here to my other screen. The name of this individual that I've been talking about through this entire video, you guys, is Mr. Nathan Lucas. Now, when I arrived on his channel, I forget what video it was that I watched, but I loved what I got out of his video. He brought me value, he brought me integrity, he brought me honesty, and he told it like it was, and he didn't sugarcoat anything. And he just had a ton of great information. And the more I dug through his channel, if you go through his videos, he still has the videos of when he first got started in affiliate marketing. And by the way, this gentleman's only been at this now, I think, for about 3 years, and he's already made more than $1 million in affiliate marketing. And he was just like you and me, you guys. He had a full-time job. He went out there and worked every single day, and he still built this business on top of that. And now he's quit his full-time job and he does affiliate marketing full-time, and he's made more than $1 million in less than 3 years. And like I said, what I really appreciated the most was just his story, how I could relate to it, and how I knew, looking at him telling his story, that I could do this because I could see his growth. I could go through the videos and I could see this is what he started out like, and this is where he is now. And it was proof to me that as long as you stayed consistent, stayed the course, and as long as you had the proper tools and information in front of you, you could find success as well. And now I want to show you guys my channel. If you've never actually looked at my channel and you're not actually, sorry, give me 1 second here. If we jump over to my channel here, I built my own channel now, and I'm doing something similar to what he's doing. My channel is about mostly the exact same thing, and what I'm doing is I'm modeling success, you guys, because you know what? It works, and this is what I'm passionate about anyways. And I think the law of attraction is what drew this into my life. I think it's what drew him into my life, and I hadn't made a dime online at all until I found Nathan Lucas's channel and got started by clicking one of the links within his channel. So if any of this sounds, like if you're relating to this at all, make a decision today. Just make a decision to get started. Don't let this linger anymore. If you need other influential people besides me, make sure that you check out Nathan Lucas's channel. He has a ton of great information on there, a lot of videos similar to mine, and he has literally just massive videos. The guy was making a video a day at one time, and that's another thing that's kind of contributed to his success. And what's really cool too, you guys, is it doesn't cost a dime to watch all the videos on these channels, and there's so much value just being given away for free, where they tell you exactly what you need to be doing to make money and find massive success online. It's great that you do that. I will say this, those videos are great. They're a great way, they're a great tool, but it's not going to give you the entire package. Make sure that you don't shy away from investing in yourself and spending a few bucks to actually get the entire blueprint in front of you, so you don't just have bits and pieces that you have to connect the dots. Get all of it in front of you. Get a team, a support group behind you of people that are going to actually help you succeed and tell you exactly what you need to be doing. So I've already made this video too long, but I really wanted to introduce you to Mr. Nathan Lucas because I am extremely grateful for everything that he has done in my life, because that individual right there has literally been a pinnacle in my life and a turning point with just his story and the pure value and honesty that he brings. So that's all I have for you today, you guys. Make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation, or check it out right there at the top if you follow that red arrow down to where it says learn how to make money online. That is exactly where I got started 9 months ago. And you can see here, I built my own channel and I am doing this. You don't have to have a YouTube channel, by the way, but I do highly recommend it. Get started, you guys. You can change your life. You can do the exact same thing. If I can do this, I know that you can do it too. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. That's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.